Mano, let it be included and let it in the monthly.
What is the goods, madam?
Lordship.
May
May I seek
after vacation,
may I seek my lordship to mention?
note করে রাখুন আমি এই আমাদের তো ক্লাসে irrespective of class.
Yes, up to 2015. May I seek my lordship to mention a matter for correction, my lord, order correction.
Have you indicated the corrections?
Yes, my lord. There is a 2013 Act mentioned, but it will be National Highway Act 1956, my lord.
To be mentioned tomorrow under the heading, yes, with the note correction.
Great.
Yes.
Lord, may I have your lordship kind leave to mention one matter? This matter was fixed by your lordship as a specially fixed matter today, Lord, at 2 p.m. Today I
Throughout
find that
the day, I'll take up the.
I know, my lord, I have seen your lordship list, my lord. But despite of that fact, my lord, I am mentioning this matter due to such urgency in this matter.
Whatever
Because
may
your
be
lordship,
urgency, I will not change.
because your lordship, it was
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
your lordship kindly
Don't embarrass this court.
No, my lord, I will not, my lord. Since the petitioner is in sick bed, my lord, I have the medical document lying with me, my lord. If your lordship kindly please,
I'm releasing the matter to take
no,
your
my
charge.
lord. If at any day at your lordship,
After vacation, I can consider. After vacation,
I
you
know.
mention, I shall consider.
Right.
Very good. Yes, Mr. Dhar.
May I be permitted to mention to take my lord's leave to move it, my lord, by tomorrow. By tomorrow.
What is the urgency, sir?
My urgency is government has granted me lease in that particular property. Subsequently, that lease time to time was extended. Thereafter, my name came in the record of rights as Rayat. Thereafter,
What is the nature of mining?
Nature.
What is the nature of?
It's not mining. It's a land which has been granted residential purpose.
Long-term lease.
Long-term lease. And my lord, record of rights also got changed.
So what is the urgency, sir?
Now they have done it. They have cancelled the lease as also. Now they are taking the steps under section 52B for taking the possession without giving me any hearing. This order has been passed.
There must be a clause of right of re-entry under the transfer power.
Subsequently, several litigations have taken place. I am covered by this honorable court's order. In that proceedings, I was declared owner of that.
Listed on September 10, 2025. No, 8. Yes, September 10, 2025. Under the heading fixed motion.
Then kindly make it on 11th so that I can serve the.
Very good, 11th.
11th,
but you have to serve.
For that, I take the.
Under the heading fixed motion. No, sir, not at the top. It will be under the heading fixed motion.
May I permit to mention, my lord, under the compelling circumstances I am mentioning before your lordship, my lord, it's a motion matter, my lord. My award has been given to me, my lord. Despite so, my amount has not been released yet, my lord. I am entitled to get the amount within a.
Give this sleep. Throughout the day, I will not allow any upgradation in that now.
My lord, motion matter, my lord.
Your lordship, may I permit it on mention?
Motion matters.
Your lordship, the petitioner is a super senior citizen. Your lordship suffering a lot. I am praying for upgrade. Matter is appearing in 605 of monthly lease. Your lordship.
Motion. What is the urgency, matter, sir?
Urgency, your lordship. Petitioner obtained a land measuring about 3 katha. The sanction. The dispute some arises, but the petitioner send a letter to the appropriate authority for information. The RTI officer has not given.
Give this leave. I do not find any urgency. It will be taken up as well.
May I be permitted to mention one matter for inclusion in this? It is under motion, my lord.
The kind leave, item number 354 of your lordship's list. I have mentioned it at least 4 to 5 times. The urgency is that, UD has given lease to Webel. Webel has given lease to the company. We are of the directors of the company. Now, the problem is that one of the director has entered into an agreement with a third party for construction of residential complex. On the contrary, the lease deed says it has to be for commercial electronic complex. Now this now we have challenged this. The waiver has also has been informed. The lawyer is also present. Now the only urgency is that they are now trying to proceed with the arbitration between that party. But today, we are on the specific point that the waiver has given us lease only for commercial purpose for construction of electronic complex. You cannot go there. But this is the only issue, it can be decided by your lordship in 5 minutes time, because if the waiver comes and say, then the entire thing goes.
It is in the list.
But 354, I have mentioned it.
So I will take up the motion matters throughout the day. So we may reach.
354, item number 354 of the monthly list.
If you go on mentioning the other persons are different.
Only I am paying. This is the 5 time already.
Let me do the hearing.
If your lordship, I'll come back. Lordship sets a date at any time. I'll come back informing the lawyer. If your lordship, I'm praying, humbly praying.
Unfortunate state of
I am also serious. I have been seriously
under September 10 the other. September 10 under the heading fixed motion.
Grateful, grateful.
Two motion.
Give this name, I shall consider.
My lord,
354.
under compelling circumstances, my lord, I am mentioning. My lord, I know my lord had written in there no upgradation, my lord. But my lord, my situation. My lord,
There will be no good.
my lord, kindly, my lord, this is a case. My lord, here, my lord, I have dismissed from service. My lord, this is a matter from the Armed Forces Tribunal. The tribunal is not functioning.
Hearing matter?
No, my lord, it is not a hearing matter, my lord. The tribunal is not functioning. Lordship, therefore, lordship, I filed a writ petition, lordship. And now the actual bench, my lord, released this matter. Now this matter is fixed, assigned before your lordship. My lord, I have
Motion stage.
in the motion stage, my lord, though my lord, it is recorded as a hearing. Well, it is not a hearing, my lord. My lord,
If it is assigned.
my lord, it is assigned before your lordship.
It is a hearing. How can I take?
My lord, it is not hearing, my lord. My lord, here, my situation, my lord, I have dismissed from service. My lord, without giving me any copy, without any reasons, my lord, I have dismissed from service.
আমি ফাইল না দেখে অর্ডার করব না ফরওয়ার্ডারসে নিয়ে আসুন আমি দেখবো এটা মোশনে আছে না হিয়ারিং এ আছে তারপরে আমি আই শ্যাল ডিসাইড
My lord, it is recorded as in the order. My lord,
I have to see. So it will be listed on a particular day under the heading for order. If it be for hearing, I will not take up after.
my
It will
lord,
be taken up after.
my lord, I know the scene. My lord,
No,
kindly allow me, my lord. I am in a situation, my lord. My lord, others did not appear, my lord, in this matter. They have a direction to file a supplementary affidavit.
Then it must be a hearing matter.
My lord, it is as per this, my lord, it is a totally. My lord, if lordship, if in 5 minutes, if you not satisfy your lordship,
I never say that it will not be taken up. But before puja, hearing matter cannot be taken up.
my lord can fix. My lord, give me 2 minutes. If this lordship, I not satisfy your lordship, then my lord can throw out me outside the court, my lord. Allow me, my lord, 2 minutes, my lord. My lord, dismiss me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sorry.
Lordship, may I permit to mention one motion matter for upgradation item number 703 of monthly list. There is a fraudulently transfer of property between
I shall
debtor and
see.
seller.
If this slip, I shall see.
Yes, yes, no.
I shall
My
see.
lord, may I submit the slip, my lord, as your lordship? So, as lordship will consider.
No, if it be hearing matter, I will not take up prior to puja vacation. That I can say.
Well, my
Yes,
matter, my lord, it was specially fixed on Thursday as item number 113 could not reach. Hearing matter, admittedly hearing matter.
Your demand,
Yes, I mentioned.
This way, today I have indicated, tomorrow I will indicate something. It will be December to March.
My lord,
Let me allow to take up the matter. No, hearing matter cannot be taken up.
My lord,
Prior to vacation.
my lord, wanted to mention, my lord, on matter, my lord, for fixed motion. My lord, the problem is, my lord, the authority concerned issued removal notice. Now, my lord, this is the highway authority. They have issued notice, my lord, both the Highways Act as well as, my lord, Unauthorized Occupants Act. My lord, I could not, my lord, ascertain whether I should,
That is
what
your
is-
headache. What can I do?
what is
I'm
the
not in a position to give you the
My
legal
lord, my
advice.
lord, the notice has to be, my lord, set aside. Otherwise, my lord, they could not proceed. I could not proceed anything, my lord.
So
My lord,
there will be equilibrium, so there is no hurry. Yes.
No, my lord, this is the hurry, my lord. 10th, my lord, the date has
Let
been
them
fixed.
remove. If you have been found that you have been illegally removed, you will be reinstated. Yes.
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention this matter for inclusion in the daily cost list? The urgency is that the petitioner's land was acquired by the government in the year 1962-63 for the purpose of constructing highway.
Give this name, we shall see.
My lord, one more, my lordship. My lord, if your lordship not fix the matter, lordship, before the puja, lordship can fix the matter after the puja. Any date, my lord can fix
After
the.
vacation mention, I shall consider.
My lord,
Definitely
since it is the assigned matter, it is your lordship court, my
I
lord.
will take up the hearing. I'll tell you. Call the list.
may mention one matter. My Lordship, our notice to the other side. I'm mentioning this matter. My Lord, this is a old matter of 2012.
Hearing matter.
Hearing, my Lord, it will never reach the hearing stage, as because this honorable court has repeatedly asked for affidavit in opposition, my Lord. But the respondents has not preferred the affidavit in opposition. Repeatedly, they have been asked for, my Lord.
Very good. After vacation.
My Lord, let it be kindly
After
accepted.
vacation, not before vacation.
Let it be listed after vacation, my Lord. Can kindly let it be accepted.
That I said. লিখে রাখো after vacation.
Oh, grateful, my Lord. Grateful.
Call the list. Call the list. ভোট ঠিক করুন। ভোট কি হলো?
Your Lordship, appeal for the petitioner, Your
You
Lordship.
pray for withdrawal.
Withdrawal of this matter, Your Lordship.
Statement.
That is served, Your Lordship.
At the time of hearing, take down. At the time of hearing, learned advocate appearing on behalf of the writ petitioners submits before next. What type of correction, sir?
Only value 1009/1273.
Let the file be placed first. Let the file be placed. Give me a second. Yes, in the order dated 2/5/2025.
Order page number 10, page number 2, my lord.
Which order? Which order? Dated. একটু এইগুলো সামনে মাইক্রোফোনটা অ্যাডজাস্ট করে দিন তো। মাইক্রোফোনটা অ্যাডজাস্ট করে
2025, my lord.
পেজ নাম্বার স্যার?
Page number, my lord, 2.
Yes.
Number 10, application. Page number 2, your lordship order. Last is portion of plot number 1009/1273 instead of 1270. Actual 1270.
It should be 1270.
Yes, my lord. But others are all right. All complete. Which is only 70. 1270.
তা কি করে হয়?
I have mentioned in paragraph 2, my lord, my application.
হ্যাঁ?
হ্যাঁ।
এটা দেখুন তো ভাই। হ্যাঁ, এদিকে কল্যাণ বাবু এদিকে আসুন।
For correction.
Application for correction?
Yes, my lord.
সেটা আবার কি?
I have filed. For rectification, I filed one application. Paragraph 2, my lord.
সেই অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা কোথায়? অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ফর মডিফিকেশন।
Correction, rectification.
দুটেই ভুল আছে, দুটে কারেকশন করা উচিত। দুটেই ভুল আছে।
I my record of right also, my lord. Record of right. Correction. 1, 2, 7.
দেখি ফাইল পিটিশন এসছে, পিটিশনটা এসছে।
কপি দিয়ে
1270, 1273. আমার তো দিন
কি অর্ডার হয়েছিল?
না আমার তো
এটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন। In the representation, you have also mentioned the wrong then
I will made one submitted one representation also along with. Yes, my lord.
how do you work? I cannot understand.
My lord.
জমির বিবরণ
As per record,
1009 by 1273 মৌজা সাচানসা
1270. My lord, as per record, my lord. I am asking the record.
No, in your representation you have given the wrong plot number.
I will file one representation also.
কিভাবে কাজ হয় জানি না। আসুন, can 1 of 2025 this is an application for correction of the order number 5 টা কোথা থেকে পেল রে বাবা? হুম? Sir, come to the prayer portion of your can.
Please to pass order, rectify and correct the order number 5 has been.
Order number 5, which one is order number 5?
Your lordship order. Lordship order.
Huh?
Lordship order. Lordship order.
Wherefrom will get the order number 5?
5. Your lordship order number.
paragraph number
Paragraph 5.
Huh?
Paragraph 5.
paragraph 5 of your lordship.
Paragraph 5 of your lordship.
Paragraph number 5 has been typed as order number 5. So you file another application for correction of this application. Do. লিখুন can 1 of 2025 this is an application for correction of the order dated 2/5/2025 as passed by this court in connection with WPS 7827 of 2025. Full stop para. By filing the instant interlocutory application, it has been contended by the writ petitioners that due to bona fide mistake in the writ petition, the plot number of the writ petitioners have been typed as 1009/1273 মানে ভাটা plot 1009/1273 instead of actual plot number 1009/1270. Stop. It is further submitted that on account of such typographical error in the writ petition, ঠিক আছে নিন you want release আসুন
On the last occasion, my lord, Friday, there is a resolution. I am appearing, but on Monday, the matter is under dismissal.
why you want to say that despite your presence I have recorded your absence
No, my lord. On Monday, I am not present due to my illness, and that is why the matter is under dismissal. My lord,
it is in the motion stage
yes, my lord. The matter is about to.
The representative is represented let this matter be listed let the matter be listed on
And for the respondent number 4.
But in earlier occasion, respondent number 4 file report.
give me a second madam yes
She may submit the report. I have given copy to MS Dhawal.
By the state as well as by the respondent number 4. Respondent number 4 file report. State has not yet been filed any report.
Kulanu.
Malad,
who are the answering response
Malad, answering respondent now the respondent number 4. Malad, at that time my representation before the district magistrate.
Lordships, my lord, already has a very clear opinion. I have collected the judgment also, lordships. As on date, without auction, my lord, no, my lord, sand block can be, lord, given to anybody. My learned friend, my lord, is praying for the consideration of representation.
2002 rules.
2002 rules. Lordship's view is very much clear. I collected a very
Application made, my lord, law in
Maybe.
the year 2011. That
maybe
was
that also.
considered did not unable.
Let me hear.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship.
What is your contention?
My lord, here, my lord, in the year 2011, my lord, long-term application made by the petitioner, that is page 15. And after that, subsequently,
Page number 15.
15.
Give me a second. Page number 15 is your application. Form of application for mining lease for minor minerals.
That was made, my lord, in the year 2011.
2011. 24/6/2011.
11. And my lord, page 16, the petitioner deposited the challan, and ultimately that was rejected by the concerned district magistrate, page 17.
Page 16 is the challan.
Page 17, the rejection. And
Give me a second, ma'am. Hey,
writ application has been filed challenging that rejection, and that was disposed of, page 23 onwards. With a
page number 23 onwards.
With a direction to the district land and land reforms officer to consider the representation and to reach the logical conclusion.
Where is the order? Consider the direction. Represent application for grant of my affairs.
No, that was not my direct order for granting mining lease. That was direction only to consider my representation and as per and reach to its logical conclusion.
That is page number 18 to 24.
23.
Relevant paragraph is 23.
Yeah, 23. In order as hearing after, these code restrains the respondents from giving any effect to the notice inviting tender for grant of mining lease of sand through auction dated 3rd December 2012, appearing at page number 4 of the supplementary affidavit so far as it relates to the plots in question in respect
supplementary affidavit.
Petitioner has.
It was in the earlier writ petition that was
Then
filed.
supplementary.
That reference is there.
You are reading from which portion?
Page 23.
Page 23, third paragraph.
Third paragraph.
The direction is at paragraph number 2.
Then
on the basis of supplementary affidavit, because my lord, after that somebody given license. For that reason, restrictive order passed by this Honorable High Court.
That is somebody else's this writ petition is somebody else's this writ petition, not of the petitioner writ petition. Kindly Bipo Taron Hajra.
Page 25. Then my lord, kindly come page 25. The matter heard by the district magistrate and first, page 25.
Yes.
The case record is put up before me for hearing today. Bipottaron Hajra, Robiul Haq Molla, Rupchand Ganguli, Molla Jamaluddin, Dinobandhu Das.
So by order date 6/8/2013, it was disposed of.
Disposed of.
Very good. Then what happened, madam?
Disposed of with a direction. My lord, if your lordship kindly say, page 27.
What is page 27?
Page 27, the last order. It appears that one of the applicants, namely therefore the undersigned.
Ultimately, page 30 is the final order.
Yes.
Then what happened?
Then my lord, page 29.
Oh, after passing of the order date 6/8/2013, what happened?
My lord, they did not consider till today. That is still pending. My representation did not consider.
I come to page number 30, sir, madam.
30.
30.
Yes. The district land and land reforms officer Bankura is hereby asked to issue the provisional grant order as per terms and condition laid down such and such in favor of the aforesaid said aforesaid applicants immediately.
Aforesaid applicants who are?
My lord, seven aforesaid applicants. That
Who are they?
who are they? That is page 29. Your lordship got page 29. The name of the 7 candidates.
You are there.
My name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dinobandhu Das Boiragi.
Then?
Well, they remained silent from that time. Did not take any action. As per of these Honorable High Court as well as District Magistrate Makura, I made representation before the authority concerned in several times, lastly in the year 2021.
After passing of this order, what has been passed? What has been done?
Nothing. No action taken by the District Magistrate.
So what is your prayer now?
My prayer, my lord, kindly page 53 onwards, 52 onwards, to take immediate steps as per the order passed by this Honorable High Court as well as passed by the District Magistrate. And my application before 2016 rules, so that should be considered. 62 of the regulation. If my mining application made prior that 2016, that shall be considered by the authority concerned.
What have you got to say with regard to the proviso of section 61?
Well, that is as per proviso. If my mining application made prior 2016, that should be considered.
What is your submission with regard to the proviso of section 61 of 2016 rules? Mr. Sir, that is the guiding factor.
Lordship.
Place 61. That defense you have taken, I believe.
Not only that, in addition, there are additional facts also, which has been suppressed before your lordship.
All applications for mining lease of minor minerals, including the reclassified minor minerals such and such, dated 12th February 2015, received prior to the giving effect to these rules, irrespective of duration of pendency, shall become ineligible.
Then proviso?
Provided that if the
it says it will become ineligible. Then proviso?
A grant order or letter of intent or any other government order regarding the alteration of applicant's position, then his mining lease application may be considered after the compliance of all necessary conditions.
So what is your grant order and LOI? Have you annexed?
That was not done. That was not given. I deposited the chalan. I deposited the chalan. Already,
Madam, I am asking a simple question of
yes, that was not given.
Have you? Do you come under the proviso clause?
That later.
Yes, sir, Mr. Shah.
Now, Lordship, also ask Mr. Galif to first answer the.
My lord, two parts of my respectful submission. One part is my learned sister has placed one High Court's order. In compliance with the High Court's order annexed at page 22.
Hearing was.
My lord, 2 years provisional lease was granted to all these people, including the petitioner. Page 29, kindly sees of your lordship's brief.
Yes.
Kindly sees Dinobandhu Das Boirago is one of the lessees for 2 years. There was lease agreement also entered into, grossly suppressed by her in the red petition. He's trying to say before your lordship, the direction was there to give me, not considered till date, kept my representation pending. Now the state is parroting 2016 rules to reject mine. That is not the case. High Court passed order, considered, 2 years lease were granted, 13 to 15 over. That lease deed is there, she has not annexed. That lease deed is there, which has not been annexed. This is gross suppression, which I tell your lordships. So that chapter is over. 2013, it was given for 2 years, 2015 over. Now to extract that benefit again, she comes up with a representation at page 50.
Page?
50
of the writ petition.
in the year 2021. With a new twist, kindly see the last 4 paragraphs at page 50. The sentence starts with, but I appeared by mistake.
Fourth line from the bottom.
4th line from the bottom at page 50. The new twist in the story.
Yes, sir.
But by mistake, it was not disclosed by me that the said Shankuri Kaidi is a partner of Kalimata Sand Syndicate, and I am a proprietor of said Kalimata Sand Syndicate, and deed of partnership has no exist between. This Kalimata Lordship was one of the persons in the year 2013, when the 2-year lease was being granted, he did not appear. That's why his portion was rejected. Now, to take benefit of that gentleman, a new twist has been given that I want to take the benefit of that. So, my respectful submission is that, so far as High Court's order is concerned, considered Dinobandhu Boiraggo, the petitioner was given provisional 2 years lease in the year 2013, 2015 over.
He enjoyed the lease.
Enjoyed the lease, done everything. 2021, he comes with the representation for consideration of that particular, to get benefit of that particular order, which is not sustainable. By grossly suppressing that, indeed, she enjoyed the benefit. By execution, a duly executed registered lease deed. And secondly, Lordship knows that since 2016 has stepped in, there is no question of any first in, first serve or giving of
I understand.
sand.
What is your submission with regard to page number 50 that I cannot follow? 50.
Page 50.
But by mistake, it was not disclosed by me.
If your Lordship comes.
What does it mean?
Milord kindly comes to page 2 of the report.
Submitted by Mr. Saha's client.
By me. It's a fact. Just now I have handed over. Just now I have handed over.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This one.
It's a fact. It's a fact. Nothing new. May I, Milord, respectfully invite you to come to page 2 of the Milord report. Page 2. Front page, kindly leave.
Second page.
Oh, at the bottom, pagination is at the bottom. Page 2. Kindly comes the second paragraph. The High Court story is given. In compliance with the order of Honorable High Court in connection with WP number 24482 of 2012, the District Magistrate Bankura conducted several hearings with Sri Hajra, along with 7 other co-applicants, namely Robiul Haq Molla, Rupchand Ganguly, Molla Jamaluddin, Kochi Mondol, Bodroja Mondol, Dinobandhu Das Boiraggo, and Shankar Kaidi, and provisionally granted long-term mining lease to Robiul Haq Molla, Rupchand Molla, Molla Jamaluddin, Kochi Mondol, Bodrojan, and Dinobandhu Das Boiragi, Vire case number 1 of 23. No grant was issued to Shankar Kaidi, partner of Kalimata Sand Syndicate, as he was repeatedly absent in the hearing. Based on the said hearing, provisional grant order was issued to Dinobandhu Das Boiragi for a period of 2 years, like other co-applicants, and accordingly lease deed were registered. So this Kaidi story, the Shankar Kaidi story, Lordship gets it from here. That despite repeated call, he was.
Shankar Kaidi is a petitioner here.
No. Now the petitioner, if your Lordship is trying to get the benefit of Shankar Kaidi, who did not appear at that point of time when the lease was.
In the earlier IP petition, Shankar Kaidi was a party.
No, amongst 7, amongst 7, he was one of the person to be considered.
As he did not turn up.
As he did not turn up, so he did not get the benefit of grant.
No, how Dinobandhu is interested about Shankar Kaidi?
He is trying to draw a story that I am the partner of that partnership firm, so kindly give me the benefit now. Lordship, kindly get
a partner.
That last 4 lines of the representation at 50. She's trying to bring a story that I am a partner of that syndicate in which Kaira was a partner, so kindly give me that benefit now.
একজন প্রোভাইডার একজন পার্টনার কি করে কালিমাতার হচ্ছে প্রোভাইডার শঙ্কর কাইদি হচ্ছে পার্টনার Oh, page 50 টা রাখ।
But in the read petition, he has not prayed for partner grant of lease in favor of in partnership fund.
Nothing of the sort. Proprietor, she says that as a proprietor, Boiraggo was given the opportunity of hearing and granted lease also. Kairi was a separate entity altogether.
প্রেয়ারে বলেছে to grant in favor of Kalimata Sand Syndicate.
Yeah, Kalimata Sand Syndicate, she is trying to take the benefit of this now.
As Shankar Kairi was a partner of Kalimata Sand Syndicate.
Telling that I was a partner of that Kalimata Sand Syndicate, in which Shankar Kairi was also one of the partners.
But now I am praying for you that my name may be considered for mining lease of such and such as per honorable court's order, dated such and such.
Yes.
Which has already been done.
Already done.
2000.
Why you have come, madam?
My lord, that was as per instruction of my client. My lord, that was not done. So Shankar Koiri already rejected by the district magistrate. If your lordship kindly see for a moment 29. My lord, my
Shankar Kairi is related to you.
my lord, by saying another story. My allegation is not that. Page 29. Kindly
This
see
is
for a
your
moment.
urgency for upgradation.
My lord, that was my lord. This was first, not
Yes,
first.
Mr. Shah.
My lord, in
I
earlier
will
occasion,
adopt the submission of Mr. Galif. This petition should be dismissed with exemplary cost.
my lord, report
The gross suppression,
served to me. No,
it
report
was
has been
executed
served.
in 2014. He enjoyed a lease period of 2 years.
Shankar Koiri already
Entirely
rejected,
that fact has been suppressed.
rejected by the district magistrate. Page
So
29.
kindly dismiss
Your
his
lordship, kindly
application
see
with
for a moment.
heavy cost.
And your lordship direction was to file a
For
report.
wasting
very
the
upset.
time.
At the very outset, it is required to be mentioned that not to pass any order in absence of any of the parties to the proceeding for the entire day from 10:30 a.m. onwards, not to delist any matter, and also kindly accommodate that the matters be allowed to maintain their position, that it be most humbly prayed, honorable judges, in absence of the there may be absence may be condoned. Is there a call of conscience be made to all the members to restrain from appearing or participating in the court proceeding on this day as a mark of respect. So, yeah, that is up to you.
I don't know.
Full court reference on any working day. Mass, that is up to you, sir. You decide what you will do or what you will not do. Call the list, call the list. Not today.
There's a small correction actually. Item number 8 and 9, she mistakenly put my name as senior advocate. I am not senior advocate.
It is for correction.
Yeah, just in
এই তাহলে এটা two men's কালকে দিয়ে দাও, two men's and for correction.
The last order. My lord, that is not a correction, my lord. That is a hearing. That is not a correction.
Oh, not today then.
Not today.
I am for the state.
Just the name is mistakenly
By
printed.
mistake, I'm.
Mr. Dey, you are not participating then.
No, I am not participating. I just
Correction, my lord.
It's up to you, sir. What can I do?
just the name is mistaken.
Go on calling, go on calling. What do I do?
9, 10,
My lord. No.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I'm for the
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 5, 6, 27, 29, 30, 31.
31 is my application. But I would not beseech your lordship to pass any order, but my lord could hear me clearly. Subject to your lordship.
If your other side is not present, how can I take up your matter?
As your lordship pleases.
3, 4, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 42, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 9, 60, 51, 50, 4, 5, 56.
Piccolo.
Three and 4. My lord, I repeatedly mentioned before your lordships due to urgency for taking up the matter as an urgent motion. But my lord, your lordships, due to more matter in your lordships list, your lordships release this matter only to my lord another bench. And my lord, I have heard from my largest junior that your lordships has endorsed therein that group, my lord, would be changed. There is some defect. There is no defect. Group 1. It is a group 1 matter. But due to urgency, I mentioned before your lordship for taking up the matter, the urgent matter. But my lord, your lordship refused repeatedly, and therefore I. No, there is no defect in the presentation form. There is no defect. Yes, only release. Only release. Try my luck, another page.
Lordship, item number 33. Shall not do that. Copy, sir.
কপি স্যার শুধু ওটাকে
Lordship, item number 3, item number 33. I am for the petitioner. The matter is tomorrow is same position or current matter is urgent. This is 33.
Your Lordship, will it retain the same position because it has been notified? Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
So it will be automatically upgraded.
Your Lordship, then very well. Upgraded, Your Lordship, very well. No, no, Your Lordship. No, Your Lordship. No, Your Lordship. Obliged.